We're following a breaking news alert now. Several people are dead in Missouri after a reported tornado tore through the southeastern part of the state. Ali Lynch is at the WKRN desk with more.
Well, Nicella, Missouri Highway Patrol Sergeant says there are multiple deaths. However, the exact number is unclear because reports are still coming in this morning. Now, here's a look at some of that damage. The tornado moved through a rural area of Bollinger County, about 50 miles south of St. Louis, around 4 this morning. The sergeant also confirms, along with multiple deaths, there are also multiple injuries. Right now, a search and rescue operation is underway. Crews are having to use chainsaws to cut back trees and brush to reach homes. And a meteorologist in Paducah, Kentucky, says the tornado remained on the ground for roughly 15 minutes, traveling an estimated 15 to 20 miles. And for breaking news around the clock, you can go to WKRN.com.